Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The great giver of Zainul Hasan Kengkong Islamic Primary School, Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG, Director of Zainul Hasan Kengkong Islamic University. My respected lecturer and supervisor, Dr. Zainuddin MPD. The first I wanna introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Muiz. You can call me Muiz. I come from Krongan, Maron Purbalingga. I'm here wanna explain about speaking practice and reading conversation. English is a global language that play important role in education and communication. In learning English, students need to develop four main language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Two of the most important skills in conversation are speaking practice and reading conversation. Speaking practice helps students communicate fluently and confidently. Will reading conversation improve student or written text and uh, expand vocabulary? Speaking practice. First, speaking practice. Okay. Uh, Speaking practice is activity of speaking English regularly to improve fluency, production, pronunciation, and communication skill. It also students to express ideas, opinions, and feelings in English. Benefits of speaking practice: improve faculty in speak, enhances confidence in using English, help correct uh, pronunciation and grammar naturally. Encourages interactive communication. Example of speaking practice activities: a role play, student acts out dialogues such as ordering food at restaurant or introduction themselves. Discussion: student discussion of topic in pair or group. X my favorite holiday or the importance of learning English. Presentation: student prepare and present a short speech or story in front of the class. Question and anywhere. Student answer requests from the teacher or classmate to practice spontaneous speaking. Regular speaking practice helps students use English confidently in real life situations. Number two, reading conversation. Reading conversation is the ability to understand, interpret, and analyze written text in English. It is a style skill because reading reading provides knowledge, improve vocabulary, and spread other language skills. Element or reading or conversation. It can differ in the main idea and sporting detail, understanding vocabulary in context, making inferences and conclusion. Recognition, text organization, and structure. Why to improve reading conversation? Reading English book, article, and short story regularly. He like or not new vocabulary and expression. Summarize text in your own words. Answer requests about the text to check understanding. Example activities: reading short story or article. Identify the main idea of each paragraph. Answer requests about character, event, or delays. Discuss the story in pair or groups. Reading conversation helps students not only understand written English but also improve speaking and writing skill. Track experts to vocabulary and sentence structures. Relationship between speaking practice and reading conversation. Speaking practice and reading conversation are connected. Reading express student to new vocabulary, sentence structure, and idea which they can use in speaking. Liquid speaking activities reinforce understanding of text. A student explain summary of discuss what the have read. Communicating both skill, creating strong English practicing and confident in communication. Conclusion: speaking practice and reading conversation are essential components of English learning. Speaking practice allows students to communicate fluently and confidently, while reading conversation help understand text and expand vocabulary. Practicing both skill regularly enables students to become more practicing in English and using effectively in academic and daily life. Ya, just for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.